Well, hello everyone. I am Tarana Chaudhary, designated as HR executive at Softtrix. As an HR executive, my primary goal is to effectively manage and enhance the human resources within an organization. Through strategic initiatives and a focus on employee growth, I aim to contribute to the overall success and prosperity of the organization. Now, it was a little description about, let's talk about our company Softtrix. Softtrix is a leading digital marketing company located near Chandigarh, began with just 2 members in 2009. Since then, we have grown into a close-knit community of over 250 individuals. Maintaining our position among the companies in the industry, our journey of growth continues. While our growth continues, we consider the young individuals' growth too. And for that, we have launched our course that comprises various trainings such as video editing, SEO, PPC, HR and graphic and web designing. So today we will be specifically talking about the video editing course, which will be handled by our team of in-house experts harboring industry knowledge and experience. Video editing in Chandigarh presents a dynamic opportunity for individuals keen on delving into the world of visual storytelling. With a burgeoning demand for skilled editors across various industries, Chandigarh offers a fertile ground for owning one's craft. Our video editing course provides hands-on learning experiences, leveraging state-of-the-art technology and industry-standard software to equip you with the essential skills. Whether you are an aspiring filmmaker, content creator, or digital marketer, Chandigarh's vibrant, creative landscape offers an ideal environment for mastering the art of video editing and unleashing your creative potential. So, now let's go through the reasons for undertaking our specialized course of video editing. Number 1, create professional quality videos. Number 2, experience in creating video editing for web, social media, broadcast or cinema. Number 3, helps you to get a chance in high-paying job. Number 4, professional development. And number 5 is access to resources. Now let's focus on Softtrix philosophy on video editing course in Chandigarh. First, attend 2 to 3 hours of daily classes 5 days a week. Second, engage in hands-on experience by working on live projects. Third, receive expert guidance on the latest industry updates. Fourth, obtain certification within weeks and launch your career as an experienced video editor. We pride ourselves on delivering top-notch industry-focused program designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in today's competitive job market. With a team of experienced instructors, hand-on learning experiences, and cutting-edge facilities, we are dedicated to provide you with a learning environment that fosters growth and development. Now, what sets us apart in our ability to improve your skills? Number 1, extensive team of video editors for guidance. Benefit from our diverse team of experienced video editors who offer valuable guidance throughout the training programs. Number 2, ongoing support and skill development. Receive continuous support, access to resources, and opportunities for further skill enhancement even after completing the course. Number 3, access to latest software and equipment. Gain hands-on experience with the latest video editing software and industry standard tools, providing you with essential skills and familiarity with cutting-edge technology. Number 4, affordable fee structure. Enjoy an affordable fee structure that ensures accessibility for all aspiring video editors, making quality training accessible to everyone. Number 5, guaranteed job opportunity. Upon successful completion of training, students are guaranteed job opportunity, offering a pathway to rewarding career in video editing. Number 6, real-time project experience. Work on real-time projects under the guidance of expert faculty, gain practical experience and refining your skills in a professional setting. We prioritize hands-on practical training that equip our students with real-world skills and foster a deep understanding of the subject matter. At our company, we just don't impart knowledge, we inspire and empower individuals to reach their full potential. So, join us on this amazing journey by enrolling yourself. Now, let's explore the eligibility criteria for this training program. Our training program in Chandigarh welcomes individuals from all the backgrounds eager to expand their skills and advance their careers. Whether you are a recent graduate or someone transitioning into a new field, Our program is designed to accommodate diverse needs and aspirations. Join us for video editing and take your first step towards success in the digital landscape. Now, after discussing all the details, you must be wondering about the fee structure. Our training fee structure is clear and inclusive, ranging from 50k to 80k depending on the course duration. We offer flexible payment options including installment plans to accommodate your financial needs. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. I trust that the information provided has been clear and helpful to you. Should you have any further questions or require additional clarification, please don't hesitate to contact us at following number, which is 83604159296. We are here to assist you in any way we can. Thank you.